Channel members, what's going on? It happened again. If you remember the video I made before, I said we were supposed to get a lot of rain. I was worried it might flood again, and guess what? It did. And I started to use a bucket, this bucket right here. It's a bucket for a shop vac. And I was going to bail water. It's a good verb. When you have too much water someplace and you use buckets to remove it, like if a boat is sinking, you can take a bucket and try to bail the water. Well, I was trying to bail the water, but then I remembered we have a sewer line right down here. That's where our toilet used to be. And when the people were here before, when we had more water, the first time it flooded, we had a toilet at that time. But they said, should we just open the sewer line? And the sewer line is where, like after you go to the bathroom, it's where all the waste goes. And so since we don't have a toilet anymore, I thought, oh, let me just open the sewer line. And so all the water is draining down there now. So we don't have as much water as we had last time, but it's still, and nothing can get ruined. It's already been ruined. It's just a mess though. So I'll be spending the rest of the night probably here watching this drain. I don't know how long it will take, but you know, nothing else can be damaged. Everything is torn up, but just not very fun to have to worry about this. I left work early. I was teaching my last class of the day and my daughter came home and she sent me a video of the water coming up again. It's like, oh man. So somebody came and watched my class. Hold on. I need to keep listening to make sure this is draining, because if it's not, then that means the sewer line is backed up. Water can't flow down, and that means we might get other people's waste. We might say in English, to be polite, or our own waste. I don't want that. So I'll be just watching this drain, making sure nothing big like a leaf might come through. It can probably, the drain can probably take a leaf or something like that, but I figure the fewer big things that go down that drain, the less likely that drain will be plugged up. Ooh. English phrasal verbs. All right, thank you so much for being channel members. If anything changes, I'll let you know. Right now, I think I just have a long, boring night of watching this water drain. I hope I have a long, boring night of watching this water drain. Anything else would be too much excitement. I don't want that. Thank you so much for being channel members. See ya. That's the culprit. All that water coming up through that pipe. Culprit. It's the thing that's causing the problem. Yeah. Hopefully the rain stops, so that will stop coming up through.